South Korea, a land of rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning landscapes, offers an array of attractions for every type of traveler. From bustling cities to serene islands and historical sites to modern marvels, South Korea promises unforgettable experiences. Here are the top 10 places to visit in South Korea, each with its unique charm and allure. Let's start with number 10. The DMZ, the Demilitarized Zone. DMZ is one of the most intriguing and significant destinations in South Korea. Serving as a buffer zone between North and South Korea, it is one of the most heavily guarded borders in the world. A visit to the DMZ offers a rare and sobering glimpse into the Korean peninsula's divided history. Touring the DMZ typically includes stops at key sites such as the Joint Security Area, JSA, at Panmunjom, where negotiations between the two Koreas take place. The Third Tunnel of Aggression, discovered in 1978, reveals the extent of North Korea's infiltration efforts. Visitors can walk through the tunnel and learn about its history and significance. The Dora Observatory offers a rare opportunity to look into North Korea, providing views of the propaganda village of Kijeongdong. The DMZ Peace Park and the Imjingak Resort feature historical exhibits and monuments dedicated to peace and reunification, making a visit to the DMZ both educational and poignant. 9. Daejeon. The city of Daejeon, located in the heart of South Korea, is a city known for its technological advancements and natural beauty. Expo Park, a legacy of the 1993 Daejeon Expo, features futuristic pavilions, a science museum, and a beautiful arboretum that attract visitors of all ages. The Yusong Hot Springs offer a relaxing retreat with therapeutic waters that have been enjoyed for centuries. Nearby, Daejeon O World, a theme park with a zoo and botanical garden, provides entertainment for families and thrill seekers. For nature lovers, the Gyejeoksan Mountain Red Clay Trail offers a unique barefoot hiking experience with stunning views of the surrounding landscape. Daejeon's culinary specialties, such as kalguksu, handmade knife-cut noodles, and sobaek bibimbap, are not to be missed. 8. Gwangju. Gwangju, known for its rich history and vibrant art scene, played a pivotal role in South Korea's democracy movement. The 518 Memorial Park and the May 18th National Cemetery honor the victims of the Gwangju Uprising and offer a poignant look into the city's past. The Gwangju Biennale, one of Asia's most prestigious art events, showcases contemporary art from around the world. The Gwangju National Museum and the Asia Culture Center are must-visit destinations for art and history enthusiasts. Mudongsan National Park, with its scenic hiking trails and stunning vistas, offers a natural escape from the city's hustle and bustle. Gwangju's local cuisine, including teok galbi, grilled short rib patties, and boribap, barley rice, provides a delicious taste of the region's culinary heritage. 7. Incheon. Incheon, home to South Korea's largest international airport, is a vibrant city that blends modernity with historical charm. Songdo Central Park, a sprawling urban park with waterways, walking paths, and futuristic architecture, is a highlight of the city. The Incheon Bridge, connecting Songdo to the airport, offers stunning views, especially at night. Wolmedo Island, with its amusement park, seafood restaurants, and coastal views, is a popular destination for families and couples. The Incheon Open Port Area provides a historical perspective, showcasing the city's history as a key trading port. Incheon's Chinatown, the largest in South Korea, offers delicious Chinese-Korean cuisine and cultural experiences. The Incheon Landing Operation Memorial Hall commemorates the successful amphibious invasion during the Korean War, adding a historical layer to your visit. 6. Changwon. The city of Changwon, the capital city of Gyeongsangnam-do, is known for its beautiful parks, cultural sites, and industrial significance. The Jinhae Cherry Blossom Festival, held annually in spring, transforms the streets of Jinhae into a sea of pink, attracting thousands of visitors. Yongji Lake Park, with its picturesque scenery and musical fountain, is a popular spot for relaxation and recreation. Changwon's House of Changwon, a traditional Hanok complex, offers cultural programs and a glimpse into the city's history. For art enthusiasts, the Changwon Sculpture Biennale showcases contemporary sculptures from artists around the world. The city's industrial complex, home to major corporations, highlights Changwon's economic importance. Five, Jeonju. Jeonju, the birthplace of bibimbap, is a city that celebrates traditional Korean culture and cuisine. The Jeonju Hanok village, with its well-preserved traditional houses, is the city's highlight. Here, you can participate in various cultural activities such as hanbok wearing, tea ceremonies, and traditional crafts. Jeonju's food scene is legendary. In addition to bibimbap, try kongnamul gukbap, bean sprout soup with rice, and Jeonju's famous choco pie. The Jeonju Traditional Wine Museum offers a fascinating look into the history of Korean traditional liquor. The Gyeonggi Shrine, housing the portrait of King Daejeon, the founder of the Joseon dynasty, is another must-visit. The Jeonju International Film Festival, held annually, attracts cinephiles from around the globe. 4. Daegu. The city of Daegu, located in the southeastern part of South Korea, is a city rich in history and culture. Begin your visit at Dongwasa Temple, an ancient Buddhist temple nestled in the scenic Pelgongsan Mountain. The temple's giant Buddha statue and tranquil surroundings make it a peaceful retreat. Daegu's vibrant downtown area, particularly Dongseongno Street, is known for its shopping, dining, and entertainment options. The Daegu Yangnyeongsi Herbal Medicine Market, with its centuries-old history, offers a unique glimpse into traditional Korean medicine. E-World, a large amusement park, is perfect for families and thrill seekers, featuring rides, games, and a stunning night view from the 83 Tower. For a taste of Daegu's local cuisine, try makjang, grilled intestines, and jim galbi, braised beef ribs. 3. Jeju Island. Jeju Island, often referred to as the Hawaii of Korea, is a volcanic island known for its natural beauty and unique attractions. Hallasan National Park, home to South Korea's highest peak, offers various hiking trails that lead to breathtaking views and lush landscapes. The Seongsan Ilchulbong Peak, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, provides an unforgettable sunrise experience. Jeju's coastline is dotted with stunning beaches such as Hamdeok and Hyeopje, perfect for swimming, sunbathing, and water sports. The Manjangul Lava Tube, one of the longest lava tubes in the world, offers a fascinating subterranean adventure. For a cultural experience, visit the Jeju Folk Village Museum, where traditional thatched houses and historical artifacts depict the island's heritage. Don't forget to try Jeju's famous black pork and fresh seafood. 2. Busan. The city of Busan, South Korea's second-largest city, is renowned for its beautiful beaches, fresh seafood, and lively festivals. Haeundae Beach, with its golden sands and crystal-clear waters, is a popular destination for both locals and tourists. The nearby Dongbaekseom Island offers scenic walking trails and stunning views of the coastline. For a taste of Busan's rich culture, head to Gamcheon Culture Village. This colorful hillside community is filled with murals, sculptures, and narrow alleys perfect for exploration. Jagalchi Fish Market, the largest seafood market in Korea, is a haven for seafood lovers, offering a wide variety of fresh catches. Busan also hosts the Busan International Film Festival, one of Asia's most significant film festivals, drawing filmmakers and enthusiasts from around the world. Don't miss the opportunity to visit Beomyeosa Temple, a serene retreat on the slopes of Gumjeongsan Mountain. 1. Seoul. The city of Seoul, the dynamic capital of South Korea, is a bustling metropolis where traditional culture meets modern innovation. Start your journey at Gyeongbokgung Palace, a majestic reminder of the Joseon dynasty's grandeur. The palace's changing of the guard ceremony is a must-see. Nearby, Bukchon Hanok Village offers a glimpse into Korea's past, with its well-preserved traditional houses. Myeongdong, one of Seoul's primary shopping districts, is perfect for fashion enthusiasts and food lovers alike. Here, you can indulge in Korean street food while exploring countless shops. For a more serene experience, visit the serene Bongjunsa Temple, nestled among the skyscrapers of Gangnam. Seoul's vibrant nightlife can be best experienced in areas like Hongdae and Itaewon, where clubs, bars, and restaurants cater to all tastes. Seoul's cultural landmarks, such as the Seoul Tower and Dongdaemun Design Plaza, offer panoramic city views and architectural wonders. The city's extensive subway system makes it easy to explore attractions like the War Memorial of Korea, Lotte World, and the lively Incheon neighborhood, known for its antique shops and traditional tea houses. South Korea is a country of contrasts, where ancient traditions coexist with cutting-edge technology. From the bustling streets of Seoul to the serene landscapes of Jeju Island, each destination offers a unique experience that showcases the country's rich culture, history, and natural beauty. Whether you're exploring vibrant cities, enjoying delicious cuisine, or delving into Korea's tumultuous history, South Korea promises a journey filled with unforgettable moments.